Here at Crowdbotics, we obsessively think about how to reuse code, and we are on a mission to kind of revamp how the software development lifecycle is done. And what we want to do is be able to unlock code that has already been written. And currently, up to 70% of code for an application has already been written somewhere before. Like you've already invested into it. So why do people not reuse this? And this is the real problem that we're here to address. And we do this through a methodology that we call CodeOps. Now you might be asking, what is CodeOps? CodeOps itself is a new way of thinking about how you build enterprise applications and how you start to think about software development in the future when using AI-powered tools that are available today. And when we think about CodeOps, it's about looking at reusability throughout the whole software development lifecycle and not just during development, right? It's about being deliberate. It's about being systematic and how you reuse the assets that you invested so much in. And there's a ton of benefits to CodeOps. So what are the benefits of CodeOps? Beyond the obvious benefits of reusing assets that have already been through testing, already been through security, already went through UAT, right? That in and of itself is a great reason to do CodeOps. There's other kind of benefits as well. And we've seen these with over 25,000 projects. One is a 66% reduction in cost compared to traditional software development. 37% reduction in net new code. Now, if you think about the problem that we're heading into, especially with AI, there's gonna be so much code generated. Being able to reduce the amount of net new means that your cost to maintain becomes less as well. And we've also seen a 33% increase in developer capacity. This means that they have time to now focus on what matters. And now the big questions asked of how do you start? Getting started is actually pretty easy. Now, the big difference with CodeOps is starting to think about code reuse at the front rather than during development. Now, being able to kind of index and understand what code could be reused, understanding how to begin breaking down, problems into correct requirements that can be leveraged in CodeOps sounds kind of hard, but we've made it really, really easy. Within Crowdbotics, we have a tool called PRDAI that allows you to go from pure natural language into full product requirements docs. Now, what this also does is begin to index and link existing code or things that we call modules that match those requirements. And this is really the first way to start. And it's really, really easy to do. We designed it in a way to be unobtrusive to existing workflows and really give superpowers to the people that are working within these specific disciplines. And if you want to learn more, check out some of the links below. We would love to chat with you and tell you how you can get started with CodeOps today.